Welcome to our channel. If you want to update the software on your Apple Watch to access new features and security improvements, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Ensure your Apple Watch is charged to at least 50% battery or connected to a charger. Software updates can take time and require sufficient power. Step 2. Make sure your Apple Watch is connected to Wi-Fi. The device needs an internet connection to download the software update files. Step 3. Open the Watch app on your paired iPhone. This is the primary method for updating your Apple Watch software. Step 4. Tap on General in the My Watch tab, then select Software Update to check for available watchOS updates. Step 5. If an update is available, you'll see information about the new version. Tap Download and Install to begin the update process. Step 6. If prompted, enter your iPhone passcode or Apple Watch passcode to authorize the update installation. Step 7. Your Apple Watch must be placed on its charger and remain there throughout the update process. The update will download to your iPhone first, then install on your watch. Step 8. Wait for the installation to complete. Your Apple Watch screen will show a progress circle. Once finished, your watch will restart automatically with the updated software. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.